Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. We have a Temu unpackaging today. So let's just get into it. So I have this little bag. So I'm gonna open it first. Pretty sure I know what everything is in this. But yeah. So this is my name badge that I got for work because they're trying to make us wear a name badge at work. So this is so hard to get open, or I'm just not seeing where it's at. I think that's it. I think it's where it's at. Yeah, here it is. It's on a seam, so I didn't see it. Okay, so here's the name badge. It has, sorry for the lighting in here, it's not very good, I guess. It is a cinnamon roll from Hello Kitty and Friends. Thought it was super cute. It's got like the little, it's right there on this, and then the lanyard also has it. So there's that. All right, now I'm going to unpackage this one. And from now on, I will not have small hauls because they have made it where I have to spend the $15 again. So, okay. So I got this big, huge, jumbo Temu bag. Okay. Big, huge, jumbo Temu bag. You've seen how big that was. This is the top that I can use for my Stanley cup and put my circle inside of it. So that is what that is. And this is everything. Whoopee, big video today. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye, you guys.